Here we're given just a starter differentiation problem. They want us to differentiate. That language means take the derivative of this given equation right here. So y equals 6x plus 9. Sometimes when you're first learning derivatives, I find the easier looking problems are sometimes the most difficult because they don't always look like they fit our rules exactly. What we're going to be applying on this is our standard power rule. It's the basic rule that you use on every derivative you take. So the power rule says, first, step one, bring the power down. This is just my little saying. So bring the power down. And then step two of the process is subtract 1 from the power. So as you look at a problem like this, you've got to remind yourself of some unwritten ones that math people like to use. So this is really 6x, and that's an unwritten one for the power there. So as we come to find our derivative, they'll either use, y prime, they could use dy dx. There's a lot of different notation. I'm going to use dy dx. We bring our power down. So we bring that 1 down and we multiply it by the 6. And then I'm going to write out more than you would once you get comfortable with this. But technically what we're going to have here is x to the 1 minus 1 power. And then we move on. We always look at these in bite-sized chunks broken up by pluses and minuses. We look at the 9. The derivative of a constant is always 0. No matter what that number is, the derivative of a constant is 0. So if we clean this up a little bit more, what we're looking at is really 6x to the 0, and then we can drop off that 0 right there. We don't really need that. And then the one piece to also remember here is that anytime you've got a number or anything to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power is always 1. And so really what you're looking at here is just a big 6 times 1. So dy dx equals 6 times 1, which means dy dx equals 6. You really kind of want to get to a point where you can start looking at these and doing that, basically going from that starting point down to that conclusion. I show you these in between steps here just so that you know where everything's happening as you're first starting to learn this stuff. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.